Here I have the Beats Studio Pros headphones. As you can see, these are the wireless headphones, the Beats, official Beats. And I'm gonna teach you how to factory reset them real quick. Now, we're not gonna need the phone for this video. That's for a later video. But for this video, we're only going to need the headphones. Now, what I want you to do first is locate the power button of your headphones. And mine are pretty beat up because I use them for the gym. But you want to locate this side of the headphones, and then it doesn't really matter if your headphones are on or off. The process to factory reset will work both ways. Now, what we're going to do next is actually hold the power button until we see a red light appear on the first LED in here. So just go ahead and hold that power button. It's going to take a while, so just be very patient. And you're going to hold it, like I said, until you see that red light in there. And as soon as you see that red light, we're going to let go of the power button. We just have to hold through it. It's going to enter pairing mode and all of that. Do not release it until you see the red light. Just be a little bit patient. And we're probably about to get it. There we go. And as soon as you get that red light, you want to let go. And now let it blink a couple of times until the red light has gone 3 times. And then it's going to re-enter pairing mode like it did for the first time whenever you turn them on. And now your Beats have been factory reset and they are ready to be connected to your device. There you guys have it. That's how to factory reset your Beats. This is probably going to help those of you that are having issues with your Beats Studio Pro headphones. Maybe you're having issues with the volume. Maybe it's not pairing properly to your device. This should get rid of that problem for you. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you guys next time.